Hi everyone, my name is Lori Dubin. I'm an associate family lawyer at Russell Alexander's office. Welcome to our YouTube channel where we cover current family law news stories and other topics related to divorce. We upload videos twice a week. You can subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss an upload. Today we're going to answer the question, should Canadian witnesses be allowed comfort dogs in court? The Canadian family law views pets as property when a couple splits up. While courts may have no wiggle room around the traditional characterization, they have nonetheless acknowledged that pets do have a special place in the hearts of many people. A recent U.S. ruling has affirmed that principle in different contexts, namely in criminal trials where witnesses want the presence of a comfort dog with them in court while testifying. In a decision from late September, the Pennsylvania Supreme Court decided that these comfort dogs might be acceptable in some situations, and with some precautions taken. The case involved an accused who had been convicted of third-degree murder in 2018 after a criminal trial that involved several witnesses giving testimony. One of them was a child witness who had autism and had expressed a fear of testifying. The trial judge allowed her to give evidence while having a specially trained Labrador Golden Retriever mix sit nearby, hidden under the witness stand. The dog was also ordered to be led in and out of the courtroom so that the jury couldn't see. The judge made this ruling allowed for these accommodations before the child's evidence was heard. The accused appealed the conviction on several grounds, and the matter came before the Pennsylvania Supreme Court for its consideration. Among the issues raised on appeal was the trial judge's handling of the child's request for a comfort dog. The accused complained that the jurors may nonetheless have noticed the dog and that its presence may have stirred undue sympathy in them. Or the dog may have distracted the child while she gave her evidence. Either way, the jury may have concluded that the child witness was particularly vulnerable and may have received her testimony differently than other witnesses. All of this may have tainted them against the accused. In its appeal ruling from the late September, the Pennsylvania court disagreed. The test for determining whether using a comfort dog is appropriate requires a balancing test. A trial court should balance the degree to which accommodation will assist the witnesses in testifying in a truthful manner against any possible prejudice to the defendant's right to a fair trial. In this case, there had been nothing untoward in the trial judge's handling of the issue. The Pennsylvania Supreme Court rules give trial judges the discretion to exercise reasonable control over the courtroom and related matters. This includes how witnesses are examined. The wording of the rules was broad enough to cover the question of whether a comfort dog would help a witness testify truthfully during a trial. In the present case, the trial judge had properly applied the test. It's interesting to note that approach taken in this Pennsylvania ruling is in line with one used in more than 15 other U.S. states. Even so, the law on this point is not uniform. In certain states, there's specific legislation to allow for comfort dogs to be used with adult witnesses with physical, mental, and developmental disabilities, and by adult witnesses in sexual or domestic assault cases. In others, specifically trained comfort dogs are only allowed in certain criminal cases involving children or in cases involving neglect and abuse. At the moment in Ontario, there are no laws or court rules that address the use of comfort dogs at all. If the issue happens to arise in the future, individual judges will have to be guided by the principles that give them inherent judicial discretion to control their own courtroom process. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so we know what kind of videos you want to see more of. Should comfort dogs be allowed in Ontario courts? Did you agree with this judge's decision? We'd love to read the thoughts in the comments below. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos. We upload about twice a week. Thank you for watching.